Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. Students, in the previous session, you all have understood the meaning of adolescence and adolescent age. In this session, you're going to understand bit more interesting topics about this adolescent age. So now the question is, how can you identify or what indicates that we are now capable for reproduction? ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ capable ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು how can we identify what exactly happens in the body of the organism to identify that he or she is now capable of reproducing. We will understand such interesting topics in this session. See, for example, he or she, because we are talking about a human beings particularly. So a boy or a girl, when they are capable of reproduction, what are the changes takes place? If they have to undergo reproduction, there are certain changes that are seen in their body. Okay, so we are going to discuss about such changes in this session. Okay, now let us start with the first change. The first and the most important change is there is development of the sex organs in the human beings of both the male as well as female. ಮೇಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಚ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ because they involve in the reproduction. Students, in the previous lesson, you all have understood the importance of the male and the female reproductive organ. ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮೇಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Because the sperms are needed for the reproduction, and the female reproductive organ in the ovaries, there are eggs. Eggs are also required for the fertilization. So the sperms and the eggs which is needed for the reproduction, which is present in both the male and the female. Male ಅಲ್ಲಿ sperms ಇರುತ್ತೆ, female ಅಲ್ಲಿ eggs ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So these things which are present in both the male and female, they get activated, they get developed, they get matured when a boy or girl enter into the adolescent age. So this is the first change, the development of the sex organs. And the second change would be the development of secondary sexual characters both in the male as well as in the female. When I say secondary sexual characters, so those are the characters or the organs which are involved or necessary for the reproduction. Such organs will be developed. For example, in the females has to feed the babies. So her mammary glands has to develop like that. There are some primary things which has to be involved in the reproduction. So such characters will be developed. Apart from this, there are also some other characters which are seen physically. That means we can identify that he or she is now an adolescent. We can identify that he or she is now capable of reproducing by looking at some of the characteristics in their body. So ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು characteristics? For example, see, in the case of male, we can identify the growth of mustaches, ಮೀಸೆ ಗಡ್ಡ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So we can identify. So if that mustaches or beards appears on their face, yes, of course, now they are adolescent. Then their breast will be widened, the enlargement of the breast. Okay, so they increase in their height suddenly, their voice box cracks. All these are some of the secondary sexual characters that are seen in the male. So in the case of female, we can observe that their breast size increases, the hip region increases, and their height also increases, and there is start of menstrual cycle. These are some of the secondary sexual characters that are seen in both the male and the female. So by looking at these developments, we can say that he or she is now an adolescent. They are now capable to reproduce an organism. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ಲ? So we have understood many things about the adolescence. How can we define the adolescence actually? Adolescent is a phase. It is a phase that occurs between the childhood and the adulthood. That means in between. You're neither a child nor an adult. In between, there is a phase. That phase we call it as adolescence. We can say it is a transition between the childhood and the adulthood. Means from the child, you are becoming an adult. In between that, there is a phase that you are going to be adult, right? That phase is there, no, that mid phase, we call it as the adolescence phase. Okay, now let's understand about the puberty. How can we define the puberty? See, puberty means it is just again another word for adolescence. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು word ಅಷ್ಟೇ adolescence ಗೆ. See, whatever the changes, as I told you that the broadening of hip, the widening of your breast, and the hairs arising on your mouth, these are all changes which are seen during your adolescence age, right? So the changes which is taking place in your adolescence, we call it as puberty. Now let's understand in detail about the puberty. During adolescence, that means when the person is around the age of 11, 12, 13 till 19, there is a lot of changes that takes place in the body of the person. It may be he or she. In both the boys and the girls' body, there are a lot of changes that takes place during this particular period, a period between 11-year-old and the 19-year-old. Those changes which takes place in this period, we call those changes as the puberty. We call it as puberty period. The changes which takes place at this particular period, we call it as puberty period. What are the changes that are seen in this period? Let's understand now. The first change is the reproductive tissues present in both the reproductive organs of male and female. This starts maturing. In the earlier session also I told the reproductive organs develops as the person enter into the adolescent age. The tissues which are present in the male reproductive organ and the female reproductive organ, this starts maturing. They get activated. As this development takes place, we can see certain changes in the body of the both male and the female. See, for example, when we look at the girl who is of 8, 9, and 10 years old and the girl of 13, 14, 15 years old, we can find some changes between these two. The girl of 8 years old and the girl of the 14 years old have some changes. Correct. So we can see the developments in their body. When we particularly look at the body of the girl who is of 8-year old does not have the development of her breast. There are no pimples. But the girl who is of 14 years old, we can see the development of breast. There is hairs under the armpits of her hands, and there is widening of her hips. Correct. And there is pimples on the face. Her height gradually increased. See, these are certain changes that we can identify as she is entering into the adolescence age. Now, if I take the example of a boy whose age of 9 or 10-year old and a boy whose age between 12, 13 and 14 years old, we can see the changes in their body. Correct? So, the boy who is of 8 or 9 years old does not has mustaches on his face. ಮೀಸೆ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ his breast is not widened, his height is also not so increased. But when we look at the boy who's of 13 or 14 years old, gradually we can see that there is appearance of bit mustaches or hairs on his face. There is hairs under his armpits. Then his voice box cracks. So there is a coarse voice. His voice become harsh. And then his height gradually increased. His breast is widened. Correct? These are some of the changes which are taking place during the puberty. So, basically, what did we understand? We understood that the adolescence age or the puberty changes, it starts from the age between 11 to 19 years old. So, as he or she, when they enter to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, until up to 19 years, their body shows some kind of changes. Those changes are called as the puberty changes. Now, finally, let's recall what are the changes that are seen when he or she entering into the adolescence or when they are in the puberty level. See, one thing we know is the development of reproductive organs that takes place inside the body. They're the internal changes. Now let's understand some external changes that we can see when he or she is an adolescent or entering into an adolescence age. Let's begin with the male. See, as they enter into the adolescence age, their voice box cracks. Their voice box cracks. So, as a result of the voice box cracks, what happens? There is a coarse voice that can be seen in he. And then there is broadening of the shoulders, there is wider chest that can be seen, and there is a thick hair growth under the armpits and the genital area. When I say genital area, they're the private area present in the body. Private areas ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೇರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And pimples ಬರುತ್ತೆ, appearance of pimples on the face, and facial hair ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗಡ್ಡ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೀಸೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಸ್ಟಾಚಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ height increases suddenly, sudden ಆಗಿ height increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And the last change is occasional penis enlargement. That means, see, as your reproductive organ is developed, what happens? The reproductive organ gets stimulated sometimes. So this is called as occasional penis enlargement. So these are some of the changes that we can observe in the male. Now let's understand what are the changes that are seen when a female is entering into an adolescent age. Firstly, we can see the start of menstruation cycle in the female. What is meant by menstruation cycle? Menstruation cycle means there is a bleeding. The blood comes out of the reproductive organ of the female every month, every 28 days once. We call it as monthly period. We will understand about the menstruation cycle in detail as we learn ahead or in your further years. Okay, for now you understand there is start of menstruation cycle as the girl enter into the puberty or the girl enter into the adolescent age. And second thing, her breast enlarge. So enlargement of the breast is also one of the change. And the next, hair growth under her armpits as well as in the genital areas. As I told you, the armpits means below your shoulders. When I say genital areas, they are the private parts of your body. Next, appearance of pimples on her face. See, pimples starts appearing on her face as she enter into the puberty, as she is in adolescent age. And finally, her height also increases. This is a common change which we are seeing in both the male and female. So these are some of the important things which you have to understand about the adolescence and the puberty. So in the next session, I'll come up with another topic. Until that's all for this session. I'm signing off. Thank you.